Hi YouTube friends, thanks for stopping by. So we bought a new phone. What is the first thing that we need to do? The first thing that we need to do, we need to put a screen protector on the phone so we don't have any scratches or fingerprints and all that on the phone. So we bought this, the Spectra Shield screen protector. And here's the numbers if you wanna buy one. Okay, and the first thing you do is just turn off your phone because we're gonna put the stuff on it. And we open this. Let's open it, see what's in it. Okay, this is the screen protector, and it comes in a like envelope so to protect it. And what else in the bag here? And is there anything else? No, nothing else in that. So, right here. That comes with a cloth and a small thing. It looks like a small credit card. If you don't have that, you can just use a credit card. Okay? And here you go. That looks like a credit card. And then we have a cloth. Okay, so that's all we need. So you can clean your phone with Windex. I have Windex here. The first thing you put on your paper towel, you don't put it on the phone, just put it in the paper towel like this. Just a little dot, not a lot. Just clean it. Remove any dust or fingerprints from the phone, like that. See how clean that is. Okay, so we put that phone here, and you can use this also if you want to, the cloth that it came with it. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do, we get a glass of water and dish soap, not a lot, just we're gonna use it. Now the screen protector, it comes in the envelope like we said. We open it and get it out. Okay. When you, first of all, make sure that it will fit this way or that way. First thing, yeah, figure it out is gonna be that way. Okay. Now take this out. And you see this, there is the sticky side here. Peel it like that. Okay, and right away we're gonna put it on in the water, in the cup of water. Okay, both sides like that. Now it's wet, and now we're gonna put it on the phone like that. And make sure you put it perfectly. Like that. Okay. Now that fit here and here. Now it's wet. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use the credit card that they gave us. And we take the excess water gently, very gently, like that, so it won't have bubbles underneath. Just like that. Top and bottom. See how clear that is? Okay, and we take the towel just to remove the excess water from the phone or in the floor here. The table, I mean. Now we take the excess water very gently, like that. If you notice any bubble, just take the credit card and remove it. But I don't see any, so we're just gonna do it that way. Here you go. You're almost done. Just to clean it. Remove any excess water. And voila, it's done. Don't touch it right now, just leave it for like half an hour to dry. So wow, that looks great. That looks perfect. So now I'm gonna remove everything from here and leave it to dry for half an hour. I did another one earlier. I have that one. Look how that is. Gorgeous. Now I'm gonna turn on the phone and we put the protector. We got another protector, we put it on it, and we're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. And please subscribe and give me thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.